Hey, what's up guys and gals? Danny Lauten back with another video. Today we're going to do a really quick video about the Lauten Clarion, and we're going to go over the switches and let you know what they do and why you might want to use them. We're going to start off with the switch on the left hand side, which is the pad switch, and this does something very unique and different than most microphones. When you flip that switch on to plus 10 decibels, that's going to add a little bit of EQ. It's going to boost the high end. It's going to add some natural harmonic distortion or saturation into the recording. That way, if you're running a really clean preamp, you still get some nice coloration and a little bit of EQ to really just make it sparkle and shine. Plus, of course, the microphone's going to be 10 decibels louder, and you don't need to use as much gain on your audio interface, which is nice. Now, if you flip the switch into the 0 decibel mode, that EQ goes away and it's just more of a completely flat, more vintage sound, which is really nice. So if you don't want that extra high end and you don't want that harmonic distortion added in, put it in the 0 decibel mode. And now we do have the minus 10 decibel pad. If you're recording something that is extremely loud, that's when you're going to flip it into minus 10. Or if you're using a really high-end preamp that colors the sound, like let's just say you've got a Neve 1076, 1073, so or a Avalon or an SPL Channel 1 Mark III or something, to where the higher you crank the gain, the more saturation and the more color it adds to the sound. That's when you're going to put this in the minus 10. When you want a lot of color from your preamp, that allows you to really crank up the preamp and let you really hear that sound and that color that your preamps are actually adding to the recording. Then on the other side, we have another switch. This one's a lot more straightforward. We have cardioid mode, which means it's only picking up from the front 90% of the time. That's what we're going to use. I mean, most people just simply use cardioid and you're good to go. If you flip that switch up or down, you can either choose figure 8, where it picks up from the front and the back, or you can go into the other mode, which is omnidirectional, where it picks up sound from 360 degrees around. Most people, 95% of the time, they're just going to flip it into cardioid, but let's just say you're trying to record 2 people on one microphone. There's a lot of different reasons somebody might want to run the omnidirectional mode, but most of us, if we're recording a guitar amp, if we're recording a speaking voice, a singing voice, we're just going to throw it on cardioid. So basically the pad is for coloration, EQ, getting that vintage sound, or recording loud stuff or being able to crank your preamps. And then the other switch just allows you to pick up sound from the front only, from the front and the back, or all the way around depending on your needs, which is really nice to have. My advice is, if you're running a really clean preamp, put it on the plus 10 decibel switch. That's going to make that microphone sound really nice. It's going to add a little bit of extra something to the sound, and it's just going to sound really good all the way around. And if you're just recording yourself speaking or a guitar amp or something like that, throw it on the cardioid mode. If you're trying to record like a room full of people or 2 people on one microphone, then you might want to try the figure 8 or the omnidirectional. But putting that switch right in the middle for cardioid is generally where most of us are going to set it. The Clarion is a extremely high-end microphone. It punches way above its price point. I mean, a lot of people prefer this over something like a U87. A lot of voice actors have been falling in love with this microphone. It's just clean, it's clear, it just sounds the way you want a microphone to sound for picking up a speaking voice. Lauten has done a great job on this, and I'm going to tell you right now, I think it does sound better than a lot of microphones that cost 2 or 3 times the price. This thing is killer. This is a killer microphone, guys and gals. I absolutely love this thing, so thank you to Lauten. These things are awesome. But I think that's going to wrap this up. Thank you so much for watching. You guys and gals are amazing. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll have some affiliate links and all kinds of crazy stuff in the video's description that will help support the channel if you're interested. If not, that's okay too. Have a wonderful day. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we will catch you next time. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching my video. I hate to say, but it's time to go. Maybe you could watch another one. That might be really fun. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for watching you. Thanks for watching my video.